Hi.
Hi.
The first question is just you introducing yourself. Do you mind telling us a little bit about your background, your business, the story of how you started it, and why did you start it?
I'm Shakib Okhram. I'm from Afghanistan. I came on 2016 in United States. I'm working for the two different company, but I always think about for my own business. I want to have something my own business too. For that one, I have a small business from home. It is like the name is Surabati. We are bringing like especially for Islamic dresses for women from different countries like Afghanistan, Turkish, Pakistan, Iran, or India. And I started first from home, and now it's mashallah grow up. I'm so happy for that.
My name is Tandiwe Manganda. My friends call me Tandy. My background is a bit confusing. I have a master's degree in economics. I worked when I was at home in a government institution. We were giving out loans to entrepreneurs to start businesses, all kinds of businesses. And then I retired from that. And then I came here. My daughter asked me to come over to help her when she started having a family, to help her with the children, because she was also going to school and working. So I work as a caregiver. I've done that for the past 5 years. And that's why I talked to my daughter, said, let's start our own caregiving business. Apart from that, I'm also a farmer. I farm with a place called Hosnig Farm here in Kent, just across from these offices. So I do both. So I'm actually hoping that when we start our home, we'll be getting vegetables from the farm, other than buying from supermarkets. Yes.
My name is Jenny Owimana. I'm married and have 6 kids. And then I start to think about the business. My business is handcraft. It came from Africa, in Rwanda, because it was my major since back home. And I would say, oh, maybe if I start to do this business, it will help me not to improve my income. And that's why I think to start to bring the handcraft from Africa and sell some, and selling in our community, or somebody else, and other people like it, because it's not just for from our country. It's for everybody, because just for decoration, and you can use it like a jewelry, like a purse. Yeah, because before I was going to the market, but it was now doing well, because you have to pay the space, the table, and then sometimes you pay the table, the transportation, and nobody gonna know. Yeah, and then I start to do the business at home.
Mon business a commencé comme une aventure. Comme c'est la couture, j'avais une seule machine à coudre et quelques matériaux de couture. Au fur et à mesure, j'ai commencé maintenant à coudre pour les gens, et ça a aidé à avoir un peu quelque chose. Donc c'est un peu pourquoi j'ai fait ce business. C'est seulement parce que je voulais compléter les recettes que je recevais dans mon travail, et c'était important parce que ce que je recevais ne suffisait pas pour nouer les deux bouts du mois. Quand je me sens que je fais quelque chose, parce que ni t'étais ce business, parce que cette période, je n'ai pas un travail, j'ai un petit problème de santé, et puis de mon visa de service. Mais c'est ce business-là qui m'a aidé, en tout cas, à me prendre en charge je me sens que ce business est très, très important pour moi. Très important. Ça fait quelque chose et puis je suis content quand je vois quelqu'un s'habiller de l'habit que je fais, c'est-à-dire les œuvres de mes mains. En tout cas, ça me fait des fiertés. Et je sens vraiment que je travaille.